Hi folks, India. I'm Bhumi Pednekar, an actor and climate warrior. I'm very excited to be doing this Q&A with you. Well, it's truly a great honor to be a part of the Young Global Leaders Forum, which is a part of the World Economic Forum. Um, it was a very exciting experience for me to be in a room full of young leaders from across the world, from different backgrounds, from different workspaces. They all are such high achievers, and I've come back extremely honored. And I really hope that my tenure with them, the next 3 years, is just full of me relearning a lot of things. The various avenues that the forum kind of extends to you is something that I'm very excited to explore. So yeah, the child in me, the student in me is jumping with joy because I've connected with such phenomenal minds. Climate warrior is something that's very, very close to my heart. It came from a place of love for the planet. It also came from a place of fear because I spent like many years just fearing what the future of humanity and our planet, and specifically um, I constantly have this thought that I love my family and I want to protect them, and I felt like I really wasn't doing what's needed, and that's how Climate Warrior was born. It's a platform that we use for advocacy uh, for climate change, about all its adverse effects, what you can do on a micro and macro level. We do a lot of on action groundwork as well. And over the last 4 years, the work that we've done, I'm extremely proud of. And as I said, that it's my passion project, and I'm gonna extend my voice and extend my support wherever I can to make sure that our environment, our planet, and all the millions of species that we share our planet with are safe. I think one of the biggest steps that one can take to bring about change would be just adapt a more sustainable lifestyle. I think people get very, very overwhelmed and intimidated by the idea of going sustainable or going green. It actually is a life that will make you very guilt free. Um, it is going to be more convenient. It is going to be easier on your pocket. You just have to be more conscious of your consumption habits. You know, when back in our childhood, or even now, when you hear our parents tell us electricity bachao, khana bachao, don't waste, that's exactly what a sustainable lifestyle is. Just be kinder to your natural resources, be kinder to animals. You know, it's all about being empathetic towards animals, other human beings, and primarily our planet, because there is no planet B. Absolutely. The idea is that if you are in a place of power, if you're in a position of power, it makes no sense for you not to exercise it in the most positive way possible. That's exactly what I've tried to do with Climate Warrior, or with all the work that I do on screen and off screen. I feel like because I have a large audience that I reach out to because of all my multiple digital platforms, I have seen the way conversation, especially on my social media, has changed with the comments that come in, with people just being aware. Today, people know that I am a climate activist, and I'm very proud to say that actually. And when I meet them, the conversation is just beyond me being an actor, which clearly shows that, you know, the reach is far and wide. Um, um, I've done films that have brought about massive positive social impact, and I use my social media in the same way. Well, it's been a dream. I wake up every day and I literally pinch myself because I'm like, oh my god, I'm actually an actor and I'm living this every day. I get to do what I love so deeply every day. I love the challenges, I love the success, I love the failure, I love everything that the last 10 years have taught me. I think it's made me a lot more resilient, empathetic, kinder. I think I've become braver. And I think I've just become a person of my own. I've become more complete as a human being because of my films. My films have truly shaped me to be the woman that I am today, and I would like to believe that I have a lot of substance and my films have a lot to do with it because of the kind of cinema that I've done. These parts have been so away from me. They've always taken me onto a new journey, a journey of education, knowledge, and just constant evolution.